How to test O2 and PEEP parameters of a VE300 ventilator. Connect the test lung to the Flow Analyzer Pro. Connect the tubes to the VE300 ventilator. Connect the VE300 ventilator to the Flow Analyzer Pro. Tap Measurement menu to confirm the selected profile. Start ventilation. Compare the measurements. P peak equals PIP. Rate equals RR. VTE. Measurements. PEEP. I to E ratio. Tap the plus tile. Add O2 measurement in the Flow Analyzer Pro. Change FiO2 value in the VE300 ventilator O2 air mix to 100% O2. View the O2 values by tapping on the O2 measurement screen. Change PEEP from 5 millibar to 10 millibar. The Flow Analyzer Pro instantly detects and shows the value change.